What's up, you guys? This is me, Marlon, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, pupunta kami ng Houston at para manood ng NBA. NBA as in basketball. You know, this is my first time na manonood ako ng basketball. Like literally sa arena tayo pupunta. I think the name ng arena is Toyota Center. So, yeah, doon tayo pupunta para manood ng basketball. It's Rockets versus Suns. I can't believe na mapapanood ka na talaga like live yung basketball kasi I usually like watch the basketball sa TV. But usually yung mga pinapanood ko lang is yung GSW, yung Golden State Warriors and Lakers. Pero ngayon, dahil malapit lang yung Houston dito sa Alexandria, pupunta tayo doon ngayon. Kasi 3 hours lang yung drive from here, Alexandria to Houston. Kaya, wag na tayo magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Let's go! Come with us! Whoops! Bagong lahat, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to click like and leave your comments below. Now let's get started. Let's go! So guys, ready na kami umalis. Nakabihis na kami. So let's go to Houston. So guys, we already loaded up our stuff. Nandiyan na lahat. So, yeah. Medyo malamig ngayon. Sana mainit mamaya. At ito lang yung suot ko. Hindi pa ako naka-jacket. Pero okay lang naman. Tolerable yung yung lamig. Kaya, not too bad.
A few moments later.
Ay guys, nandito na kami sa Houston.
Alam mo yung puputok na yung
So, kakain lang kami dito sa Jollibee. Ang ganda ng panahon ngayon dito, guys. Hi guys, so mag-order na kami ng
vlogger.
dito kayo sa Jollibee.
Lester, vlogger to eh.
Mag-hi ka muna. Order ka na. Ano gusto mo?
Maiba naman sa pala.
Ito?
Yep.
Buti may palabok
Yung
sila
pin
dito
mo.
kasi di ba sa walang palabok.
Saan?
May sa New Orleans ba yun? Ay, wala pa
Wala naman. Ito na lang. May drinks.
sa New York, wala pala sa palabok.
Saka chicken. Saka tayo
With
mag-diet.
chicken?
Mag-gym naman na tayo. Ito. Wala rin palabog na may chicken.
Meron. Kung tayo na perfect
Magkakanin naman
pairs.
tayo mamaya. May kanin kaming dala.
Dito. Ito, palabok with chicken. With
Ito
drinks.
na. With drinks na. Ayun na. Dalawa yun.
I don't like that. Ayaw ko ng palabok.
Sige. Pineapple juice pala. Lester,
Yes.
mas mura dito sa Kasaka.
Talaga? Kahit yung conversion.
Hindi kasi, hindi ko na i-convert. Kasi kung kumikita ka ng US dollar, Okay naman.
Almost similar lang din naman kasi.
Kung i-convert,
Simula ng burger. Yum burger, no? Yum burger. Yung snacks. Yung snacks. So naka-order na kami guys. I already have the
number ka?
number, yeah. Siguro tatawagan na lang nila. So mag-aantay lang kami guys dito sa meron na kami order number. Dito tayo. Para hindi nasa taas.
Uy, for senior yan.
Ay, ayun oh.
Doon na lang.
Mainit doon. Ayun oh.
Sayo mo yung mga tao.
Dito na lang.
Doon na lang.
Dito lang. So we already got our order, guys. So I got spaghetti with chicken and burger and fries. And what you got? Palabok.
What you do?
With chicken. And he got spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
With 2 chickens.
Yeah.
Sana all. I only got 1 chicken. So we're gonna eat, guys. Just eat. Hello guys, so katapos lang namin kumain. See you! So anyway guys, yun nga, katapos lang namin kumain. Napadami na naman yung kain namin. Siyempre naubos namin yung meal kong spaghetti with chicken, and then naubos ko pa yung yum burger ko with fries. Grabe naman. Grabe naman
Uy,
yan.
one way lang to, Lon?
Yes, one way lang yan on your right. So ngayon, pupunta muna kami sa hotel kasi malapit na lang yung mall na pupuntahan namin. It's only 9 minutes away from the hotel to the mall. Yun ang yung isa sa magandang mall dito sa Houston, guys. So, yeah.
Dalawa ba?
Mag-left
Wag
ka.
na, wag na.
Wag kasi nasa
Diretso
ka.
na.
Wrong way ka.
Kaya nga eh.
So, yeah.
Pabalik daw.
Ang fresh ko naman dito. Sobrang ganda ng panahon, guys. Nakita niyo naman.
Uy,
Ayan.
balik tayo.
Ang sinag ng araw ngayon. Very
Sa Castanes.
summery. Summery.
Summary.
So, yeah, I'll give you an update later, guys.
Dito.
Alright, guys, nandito na kami sa hotel. Dala namin yung mga gamit. Mag-check-in muna kami bago kami pumunta sa mall kasi nga yung dala naming pagkain ayaw namin masira kasi mainit ngayon. Baka mag-moist lang siya sa sakyan kung iwan namin siya hanggang mamaya. Kaya, yeah, mag-check-in muna kami. Alright guys, naka-check-in na kami. Tingnan natin. Anong floor tayo?
Second floor, sir.
Second floor.
Di ba nun?
Pero alam mo yung expectation natin na ang malinis.
Oo.
Mas malinis.
Nag-iba? parang Canada, bantay-bantay ang Canada eh. I-report agad yan sa Alberta Alberta Health Services.
Kumakain ka ng munchkins?
Munchkins, yeah.
Yes, we have munchkins.
Anong tawag niya sa atin doon? Ball, ano?
Ball wrap.
Timbits. $278. Yes, nandito na kami guys. Tingnan namin yung mga mumurahin na hotel. Oh, maganda siya.
Isasama mo sa vlog, dali na.
Oo.
Labas mo na kami.
Wag na, okay lang yan. Okay lang.
Hi guys!
Ito na kami sa room namin guys. Ayan.
May microwave, wala.
Really? Nandyan yan.
Ha?
Nandyan yan. Possible.
Kaya nga. Di ba usually mga room may ano?
Hi guys. Nandito na kami sa The Galleria. Mall siya dito sa Houston, Texas. Kaya nakapag-park na kami ng sasakyan ngayon.
Kunwari lang.
Meron kami nakita. Ang tawag dyan?
Ha?
Waterfalls?
Football.
Water wall siya guys. Ang dami dito. Nandito kami sa park. Ayan. Oh my goodness guys. May papakita ko sa inyo at ito ang oh my goodness. Look. Umalis na kami doon guys. Sobrang daming tao. Kung napapansin nyo, ayun pa yung water wall. Tamang picture lang kami doon, then umalis na agad. Ngayon, pupunta na kami sa mall. Yeah. Tingnan natin kung anong meron. Kung gaano kaganda yung mall nila dito. Alright guys, see you later. Hello guys, so nandito na kami sa hotel at nakapag-bihis na ako kasi manonood kami ng basketball. At just to wear this black shirt with jacket. So, hey, thank you. Have a good night, man.
Be out here on the way out if y'all need to ride back.
Sure.
No back. You gotta go down there by the red banner.
Over here with the bags.
Just measure. Take it off, just measure.
Measure down.
Just take it off.
Ow.
Take it off. It's slightly big, but don't bring that next time.
Okay.
That's gonna be too big. Yeah, it's too big.
Mine is big too, I think.
Just you okay? Just don't
Okay,
bring
okay.
that next time.
Thank you.
Yeah. You know,
Pasok na tayo guys. Finally. At nag-start na nga. Nag-start na nga yung basketball. That's fine. So as long as nandito na tayo. Pero hanapin na lang natin yung ano, yung upuan natin mamaya. So we're here guys. So tapos na guys yung ano, first quarter. At kakarating lang namin dito kaya antayin ko lang si Angelo kasi hanapin namin yung upuan namin. Pero at least first quarter pa lang guys. Ang nauuna ngayon ay yung Suns guys, yung nauuna 29 at yung Rockets is 25. So not too bad, hindi malayo yung lamang kaya let's go Rockets. So guys, pupunta na kami dun sa seat namin. At nasa pinakamataas kami. Alright, let's go. Nakakatakot. Guys, takot na takot ako bumaba. Nalulula ako sa ano, sa hagdanan. Parang ayoko na lang pumunta sa seats ko. Dito na lang ata ko sa taas. So nandito na kami guys, nakaupo na kami. At takot na takot pa rin ako kasi nalulula ako sa ano, sa heights niya. At very ang tawag dito, stunt yung ano, yung hagdan niya, yung seating arrangement niya dito. Pero yeah, NBA. So yeah, enjoy na tayo. It's second quarter na guys kasi kakarating lang namin. Sakto pagdating namin tapos na yung first quarter. So, yeah.
Easter, 36-43 Phoenix.
Points. Oh!
6:30. 45-37 Phoenix. 6:18 remaining.
Hindi pa yan. First quarter score kasi yan.
10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Yeah!
5:56 remaining.
Defense.
10 seconds. Number 12, Colin Gillespie. 5:40 remaining. 37-29 Phoenix. 5:30 remaining. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Timeout on the floor. That was all 23 here. Winning his first personal, second team.
Hello guys, so umalis na kami dun sa upuan namin kasi nakatatakot talaga kami. Talagang makapigil hininga pag doon ka nakaupo kasi hindi ko kaya umupo doon. Very slant yung yung upuan niya at I don't know, parang any moment pwede ka mahulog, ganun. So, hindi na ata kami babalik doon pero hanap na lang kami ng pwede naming puntahan para space para pwede kami makapanood pa rin. So, let's go Rockets. Grabe. So, dito na lang tayo ata. It's Rockets ball! Oh no! Walang bantay. Shoot. That's it. Oh no! Is it foul? Wow.
15 seconds.
Let's go Rockets! Let's go Rockets! Let's go Rockets! Kasi parang yan si Kevin Durant. Ito. Swervy. Wow. Ito guys yung mga jersey ng mga players dati. Ito si Yao. Oh, nandito si Yao. Guys, nandito si Yao. Oh, Joe. Si Francis. Ito yung mga sikat na basketballer under Rockets team. Ah!
15 seconds.
Go Durant! Go Durant! Yeah! Go Durant! 3 points. Oh no. Yeah! 2 shots. Samson, let's go. Two shots. Yeah! Let's go! Defense! 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 Let's go! Yan ang score. Let's go Rockets! 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 Seconds, guys. Yes. Oh, 3 points, 3 points. Come on. Oh no. So guys, natapos na yung tong laro. Grabe, nagkagulo doon kasi nanalo yung Rockets. At home court nila dito sa Houston, Texas. Kaya sobrang saya ng mga taga Houston ngayon kasi nanalo yung Rockets. Ang galing ni Kevin Durant kasi siya yung last shot ng pagkapanalo ng Rockets ngayon for 3 points, guys. Last minute na pag-shoot niya, guys. Finally, nandito na kami sa car. So, yung score pala was 100. Tapos yung kalaban 97. So, it was a good game. So ngayon, dito na kami sa car ni Angelo. Pupunta kami sa In-N-Out para kumain. Let's go! Alright guys, so we're already here at the In-N-Out. At finally makakain na kami kasi the last In-N-Out na try namin was 3 years ago when we were in Las Vegas. But now we are here in Houston, Texas. We can finally try the In-N-Out. So let's go. Come with us. There you go. So ready here. So what you're gonna get? Double. So we're gonna get the double, guys, with fries and drinks.
Kasi hindi siya medium.
It's not in French.
Okay.
Let's go. Hi there.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Pretty good.
So we're gonna get 2 double. That comes with a meal or no?
Yeah, I got you.
Okay, perfect. So for the drink, we're just gonna get the pop.
Did you want onion on the double doubles?
Sure.
Did you want to eat for yours or no?
Do you want onion on your burger? You want onion? No, that one is no onion.
And eat in or dine out?
Fine.
Change to a wait, please. How are you? You get plenty.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay guys, so we already ordered. So we got 2 double meals with fries and drinks. So for one burger, I think it's only $5.70.
Jonathan po.
Jonathan.
Filipino ata yun.
It's so funny guys kasi yung pangalan niya is Jonathan. Tapos yung last name niya is Po. So it's very Filipino.
Baka Filipino siya.
Jonathan po.
Jonathan po.
Perfect. Yeah, so we got the sweet iced tea.
Minutes lang doon from here to hotel.
How much? How many? 12 minutes. So yeah guys, we're just gonna wait for our order and then
Saan yung
we're
number?
gonna eat
Saan ang number?
right here, number 20. So guys, malapit na kami sa hotel namin. Kung after namin dito, we're just gonna drive for 12 minutes then hotel na kami. Ano masasabi mo sa game?
That was amazing game because I was amazed when Brian Durant had a 3-point
Last minute.
for the last 10 seconds. So
Yeah.
I think it was amazing game. So this is my first game was the NBA live. So you guys must try it.
Best experience. This is our first experience guys.
And the more you have experience, the more you like season and
Yeah, so far guys, sobrang nag-enjoy kami dun sa game ng Rockets versus Suns, Phoenix Suns. Sobrang nag-enjoy kami. Hindi na kami umupo dun sa seats namin kasi natatakot kami. Very kasi siya, slant yung upuan. Very nalulula ako dun sa inuupuan namin. Parang hindi ako makapag-focus manood kasi parang feeling ko ano siya nagsishake yung upuan namin. Kaya sabi ko, no, I'm not gonna stay here. And then, tumaas na lang kami, doon na lang kami sa taas nanood sa pinaka-tuktok. At least, hindi nakakagalaw-galaw kami. Alam mo yun, hindi awkward din sa mga katabi namin seats kasi syempre, kailangan makastorbo. Pero, it was a good game.
5 minutes later.
So, kain na kami guys. Nag-aral. Kasi nasa kasama. We're just gonna eat. Kasi gutom na kami. Masarap. Supposed to be walang onion sa'yo. Sabihin mo.
Not to have an onion. However,
Nagkapalitan kami.
it's just nice. Be afraid not to eat onion. I'm not
Hindi ka naman kumakain pag ano, kasi mabaho siya, di ba?
bago sa
Bunganga. Pero dahil nagkapalitan kami, mine has no onion now. Kasi I like with onion sana. Ayaw na nyo man makipagpalitan kasi nakagatan ko na. So good guys. Let's take a bite. Cheers. So good. Okay guys, so we're already back in our car. We already take out some burgers. So, kung magutom mga kami mamaya or maybe we can eat it tomorrow. Basta meron kaming reserve na burgers. So, we're heading now to our hotel. Let's call it a night. Say it. Let's call it a night. Say it.
Let's call it a night.
Yes. Let's call it a night kasi
Let's
pagod
call
na
it
kami.
a night.
And it
Call
was
a night before.
it was,
Call it a night.
amazing day, amazing night. It was
Was amazing.
productive day. Yeah. It was fantastic day guys. So magpapahinga na kami, uwi na kami sa hotel and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Oh guys, so this is our second day here in Houston. So ngayon, naglalabas kami para kumain. Magla-lunch kami. It's already lunchtime. What? Lunchtime na guys. Gutom na kami. Hindi kami nakapag-breakfast kasi late na kami nakauwi kagabi kasi nag-party kami. Hindi na pala ako nakapag-video kagabi kasi masyado na ako na-enjoy sa party namin kagabi. So ngayon, sasamahan ko na naman kayo para gumala. May pupuntahan kami pero hindi pa kami sure kung saang lugar. Pero yeah, magla-lunch muna kami guys. And I'll see you there later. Alright guys, nandito na kami. Kakain kami dito sa Jerry's Grill. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Yes. Kakain na. Filipino food, guys. See. Order na. Let's see, guys. Kaya tayo. Huwag maliit yung kutsara.
At yung lugar mo malapit na pala dito. 1 hour lang, no?
Masarap siya dito.
Tamad ba ako yung mag-vlog?
Nare-recommend lang sa
Tamad ba ako yung
friend
mag-vlog?
namin na puntahan tong Jerry's Grill dito sa Houston.
Yung kawork ko pumunta dito. Dalawa sila. Nag-drive para kumain lang. 4 hours.
Galing Louisiana.
So guys, tapos na akong kumain.
Kasi yung Calgary namin,
Ah.
may sasakyan kami papunta Edmonton. Doon kami.
So parang multi-city na kayo. Pero 200 lang. Round
May
trip.
panghimagas kami.
To Edmonton to Houston na 200 lang. Ay, mura.
Yun.
Grabe naman yung
Summer
reaction
tayo.
na yan.
Mura yun. Sanay ka mahal kasi
Di ba sanay naman? Di ba sanay naman kayo sa mahal? Di kayo sanay sa ano?
hindi, I mean,
Wait.
ano.
Sabi naman sa mahal.
I mean, ang lagi namin namubok ng mahal. So pag
Tapos na kami kumain guys. Ayan. Sobrang busog namin.
talaga?
So, nabusog ba kayo sa pagkain natin?
Hindi
today?
naman, tama lang.
Sakto lang.
Busog pa nga, ay
Ayos
gutom
naman.
kami. Gusto pa namin mag-milk tea mamaya.
Yeah, nag-dessert kami ng halo-halo. Pero,
Ngayon po guys, maghintay na kami ng bus.
Hoy, hindi tayo
pala tayo.
Hindi tayo magbabas. Hindi tayo magbabas. So, kumusta naman yung food, guys?
The
Kamusta
food
yung
was amazing. Next I'm gonna bring my 2 brothers here in Jerry Grills, Houston, Texas.
Hey,
Hey!
how's the food?
It was awesome.
Okay, how will you rate our food today?
I think I
Jerry's
would
Grill.
rate 9.1 because I want to come back here with my family because my family is the most important thing in my life.
Thank you. I mean, it's just a usual thing for me because I've been here for almost.
How will you rate the sinigang?
It's 8.5.
I think
What
for
about
me
you?
the sinigang is 9.
Ang dami mong sinasabi, rate it!
9%.
9%?
Yeah.
Ako, I will rate it to 8. 8 lang.
And I think I would rate it for rated K.
The sisig.
Yung sisig, what is your rate sa sisig?
Then for you, for me, it's only 9.1 because I was expecting more. I wanted because that was really fine. I don't really like it. I like the one that's supposed to be you. Ay, for me.
Saka, sa kanya medyo dapat may,
Gusto ko, I think, more on cubicle.
medyo chop.
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 Yeah, I don't like it too fine.
How about the
Yeah.
The
Wait, anong rate mo sa sisig?
Yun na nga, 10.
10. Ako siguro 9. Masarap siya kasi hindi siya sobrang alat. Kasi usually na pag kumakain
You
kami
don't
ng
have to
sisig,
explain.
maalat
You
siya.
can ask us.
Wait lang, kasi maalat yung mga usual na sisig. Pero dito, masarap siya. Pero, for me, I want more with mayonnaise.
Oh yeah.
I
No,
love
I
with
think
mayonnaise.
it's Kapampangan style.
I think so.
Walang mayonnaise.
Walang mayonnaise. It's
They don't usually
natural.
put
Yes.
mayonnaise for Kapampangan.
So what's the other question?
So, what about the yung... Ang tawag the ensalada?
The ensaymada is
Ensalada.
Oh, ensalada. No, actually, I was expecting very much.
What do you expect? For me, I will rate it to
8 for me.
Yeah?
I'll rate it to 9. 9 na lang. Kasi it's my first time, it was my first time na matikman yung ensalada. So, not
First
bad.
time ko rin.
Masarap naman siya kasi parang
I thought it
parang
was a
siyang
salad.
kinilaw na salad. Basta ganun yung lasa.
Oh, for you, kinilaw. For me, it seems like kinilaw.
Kinilaw.
Yeah, because it's only kilogram.
What is your rate?
My rate is 8.7.
Wow.
Ikaw?
8.5.
8.5 ako 9. Sige. Sa Sa rice.
Overall.
I think the rice,
Sa rice,
is
okay.
very white. So I would rate 9.9.
Ako 9.5.
Its consistency, I would rate it 9.5 too.
Yeah, 9.5.
How about
Kasi tama lang yung pagka-moist ng niya.
How about the halo-halo?
Yung halo-halo 10. I love
I think
halo-halo.
9.2
why?
because it's not so sweet and you're sweeter than
Sa akin 10 kasi masarap siya. Nag-ano kasi dun sa lasa ng halo-halo is yung ube.
Oh.
Talagang yung consistency niya talagang very halo-halo
So
siya. Halo-halo siya.
how about the server?
Server,
Is
very
she nice?
talkative.
Yeah,
She's
yeah.
very friendly.
I like her because my card was declined and the first time, and then the second time it went through, and then it was accepted because I don't know how to use the machine. I just tapped it and then it showed up decline, and I was like, oh my god, I don't
my
have another
goodness.
card.
You don't have money.
I have money, but it's a lot.
It don't accept the lower amount.
No, it's about the machine. It was embarrassing, but no. I said, I have money. Can I buy you, your friend, and your family?
Alright, that's how we rate the Jerry's
The
Grill. It's
grills.
very masarap, guys. Puntahan nyo dito sa Houston, Texas. Nag-iisang Jerry's Grill lang siya
Yes,
dito
guys.
sa Houston, Texas. So,
On the next vlog, please subscribe and dial 14911.
so may pupuntahan kami after dito.
It's gonna be Memorial. No, it's Herman Park.
Herman?
Herman?
Herman Park.
Okay.
Sa Herman Park. So, I'll see you
So,
guys
ano na yun?
there.
Sir.
Bye!
Bye.
See you later. Hello guys! We are now here at the Herman's Park. Medyo quiet yung place na to. Parang most na mga pumupunta dito is yung mga family. I think this is a family park too. Ang daming mga birds, guys. Okay. So, tatry namin guys yung pedal boats. Yung tickets niya is $14.50. Not too bad. Pero, yeah.
Main ring road, carousel, gift.
So, try natin yun.
Yeah. Right? Maximum 1 boat ticket per person.
Thank you. Ano ba to? Yan lang to?
Yes.
So already wear our life vest. Just sitting.
Marlon, we're the vlogger.
I'm the vlogger?
Yung gusto mo sa likod ka? Saan mo gusto?
Ikaw. Sure ka? Di ako na lang sa una. Kayo na lang sa una. Oo, kasi magbablog ako eh.
Vlogger siya eh.
Ito na lang ako sa likod kasi vlogger ako. Charis. Uy, di ba to delikado? Parang musik.
That's good. Pedal back to back. Forward steer to left and right is in the middle. Make sure you guys got nothing in your outside pockets because if it falls out, you guys
This is good for 30 minutes, right?
so just set a timer. Come back and get it.
Okay.
Let's go.
That's so rude. So tapos na kami guys mag paddle boat. Sana tayo next? Sa washroom. Sa washroom muna kami guys. Okay, let's go. One, two, three, go. Munti, ano ba ako? Wow, beautiful sunset! Woo, let's go! Hello guys, so nandito kami sa Hella Bubble. Nagka-crave sila ng bubble tea. Ayoko sana kasi nagda-diet ako. Charm. Pero, say hi guys. Thank you for thank you for treating us.
Thank you for treating me so well.
Thanks for trusting me.
Sayaw-sayaw. 1, 2.
Welcome aboard.
Okay, let's go. Thank you. Go na. Okay, cheers guys. 1, 2, 3. Cheers. Alin. Cheers. Okay, taste test. Taste test. Okay. Cheers, cheers muna, cheers.
Para
Taste
siyang,
test. Taste test. Cheers muna.
para siyang ano? Para siyang suman.
Masarap siya. Ikaw. Taste test.
Para siyang suman.
Para siyang bilo-bilo. Ikaw.
Bilo-bilo.
Ikaw, ano sa'yo?
Oo, parang ganun.
Bilo-bilo.
Para sa'yo yung ano, puto. Oo, parang bilo-bilo.
Pero this is it's not too sweet.
Yeah. It's good. And the bubbles, yung pearl,
The boba is good.
boba is good. It's very soft.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hindi siya matigas.
The place is 10 over 10.
Yeah. It's very aesthetic. Yung place dito.
Huh?
Yeah, you should keep going, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, we gotta go, guys. Ang sarap, guys. Para siyang ginataang bilo-bilo. Yung lasa. So that's it for my vlog, guys. I hope you guys enjoy my videos. And please don't forget to click like and share my videos and leave your comments below. And please subscribe to be updated on my coming videos. See you guys on my next vlog. Bye! Hey, 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 hey.